everybody knows Guardian makes glass, but things like this make it especially interesting because it's something else. Many people get a sample from some kind of glass manufacturer and they don't know how to look at it. They don't know if they have to look at the glass or the reflection, and here they learn what to do with the glass sample in order to fit it into the image of their building. This is great.
For me, it's really important to understand the processes of glass manufacturing because it makes me able to explain it to our clients and architects.
My background is architecture. I'm basically an architect. I studied architectural engineering. It helped me understand the pain points for the architects, what could inspire them with the glass, how can we still serve them better. I think they really appreciate the knowledge sharing sessions, whether through social media, whether through webinars and through events and all those kind of activities.
Estamos interesados un poco en los nuevos productos que tenían de Guardian, el de los pájaros.
Since Guardian have a very wide range of products, of course, usually we refer to our point of contact here to know which product is applicable for which use. But if they have a tool, as you are saying, which you haven't used yet, that's beneficial to help us, of course, we'd be interested in using it.
Lo que a mí me ha gustado más aquí de Guardian es el futuro de todo el tema de la inteligencia artificial a nivel de utilizar herramientas para mejorar las relaciones con nuestros clientes.
We believe that AI is a once-in-a-generation transformative technology. When we apply AI in the right way within Guardian, we are going to create a lot more value, not just for Guardian, but also for our customers.